Welcome back. In this video, we shall guide you how to configure and navigate through the user management section of our accounting ERP software. Before we proceed, I would highly appreciate if you could hit the like button below and also subscribe to our channel. Creating roles. This is where you create the roles to be assigned to the system users. Please create roles before users. From the main window, select Roles. Click Create. Type the role name and the system for the role. Select from the main roles what roles you want to assign to the title mentioned above. From the list in each of the main roles, select the access levels or permission assigned to the title mentioned above. Click Create. To edit role, select the role from the role list, select Edit icon. Edit the role details, then click Update. To delete role, select the role from the role list, select Delete icon. The system will prompt you. Click Yes to proceed. Repeat this process for the other roles. Creating users. This is where you create users for your organization. From the main window, select Users. Click Create. Type the name, email address and password for the new user. Select the user role from the drop-down list. Click Create. To edit user, select the user from the user list, select Edit icon. Edit the user details, then click Update. To delete user, select the user from the user list, select Delete icon. The system will prompt you. Click Yes to proceed. Repeat this process for the other users. Creating clients. This is where you create clients for your organization. From the main window, select Clients. Click Create. Type the name, email address and password for the new client. Click Create. To edit client, select the client from the client list, select Edit icon. Edit the client details, then click Update. To delete client, select the client from the client list, select Delete icon. The system will prompt you. Click Yes to proceed. Repeat the cycle for the other clients. Support management. This is where you raise and manage support issues from your client. From the main window, select Support System. Click Create. Type the support issue subject. Select user, priority, status, and date. Type support issue description. Click Create. To edit support, select the support from the support list, select Edit icon. Edit the support details, then click Update. To delete support, select the support from the support list, select Delete icon. The system will prompt you. Click Yes to proceed. Repeat the cycle for the other supports. Zoom meeting. Here is where you set up Zoom meetings. From the main window, select Zoom meetings. Click Create. Type the meeting title. Select the project, participants, date, and time. Type the meeting duration and password. Click Create. To edit meeting, select the meeting from the meeting list, select Edit icon. Edit the meeting details, then click Update. To delete meeting, select the meeting from the meeting list, select Delete icon. The system will prompt you. Click Yes to proceed. Repeat the cycle for the other meetings. Messenger. Use this section to chat with other users enrolled in the system. From the main window, select Messenger. Select the person you want to chat with. Proceed to chat. For more clarifications on the above demo video or technical support, kindly reach us out through the comment section below or email us at info@accountingerpsystemsoftware.online.